Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be explaining question number 2 from exercise 3.1 first main. So the question is like this. We need to solve this problem using graphical method. So the question is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. So we are supposed to find the cost of one pen and one pencil. Therefore, let us take the cost of one pencil as X rupees and the cost of one pen as Y rupees. So let the cost of one pencil be rupees X and let the cost of one pen be rupees Y. And now let us go to the first statement. The first statement is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. So we know that the cost of 5 pencils will be 5 times X rupees and the cost of 7 pens will be 7 times Y rupees. So together it costs rupees 50. So we can add them. 5X plus 7Y is equal to 50. So this is your first equation. And second equation, whereas 7 pencils, the cost of 7 pencils is 7X and the cost of 5 pens is 5Y. So together cost 46. So we can write the equation as 7X plus 5Y equals to 46. Now let me take the first equation and find out at least three solutions of the first equation. So for that, let us write the equation for Y. So let me transpose 5X to RHS from the first equation. So we get 7Y equals to 50 minus 5X, and then transpose 7 also. So we get Y equals to 50 minus 5X divided by 7. So this is the equation for Y. Now let us substitute some values of X and find the corresponding values of Y. So first let me take 3. So we take the value of X in such a way that after multiplying the X value with 5 and then subtracting the product from 50, we should get a multiple of 7, because the numerator should be divisible by the denominator 7. So we try to take the values of X in such a way that the numerator, after simplifying the numerator, it should be divisible by 7. So in that way, if you want to take, you can take 3 as X value. So replacing X by 3, we get Y equals to 50 minus 5 into 3 divided by 7. So the value of so now we get Y equals to 50 minus 5 3 is a 15. So 50 minus 15 divided by 7, that will give you 50 minus 15 is 35. 35 by 7 is 5. So the corresponding value of Y is 5. Now let us take 10. So taking X as 10, we get Y equals to 50 minus 5 times 10 divided by 7. So that will give you 50 minus 50, which is 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. So we can take the Y value as 0. Now let us take X as minus 4. So taking X as minus 4, we get Y equals to 50 minus 5 into minus 4 divided by 7. So that will give you 50. Here minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 10. So plus 20. So 50 plus 20 divided by 7, which is 70 divided by 7 is 10. So the value of Y is 10. So these are the three solutions of the first equation. Now let's move on to the second equation. The second equation is 7X plus 5Y equals to 46. So let me write 7x plus 5y equals to 46. So now let us write the equation for y. So transpose 7x to RHS. So we get 5y equals to 46 minus 7x, and then y equals to 46 minus 7x divided by 5. Now let us take the value of X in such a way that after simplifying the numerator, we should get the value which is divisible by 5. That means multiple of 5 we need. So for that, let us take x as 8. So if we take x as 8, so y equals to 46. So let me take x as 8. So y equals to 46 minus 7 times 8 divided by 5. So we get y equals to 46 minus 56 divided by 5, which is equals to minus 10 by 5, that is minus 2. So when you take x as 8, we are getting y as minus 2. That is one solution of the second equation. So next, let us take x as 3. So by taking x as 3, we get value of y which is equal to 46 minus 7 times 3 divided by 5. So 46, 7 3 is 21. So 46 minus 21 divided by 5, that will give you 46 minus 21 is 25. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. So second value of y is 5. Now let us take x as minus 2. So taking x as minus 2, we get y as 46 minus 7 times minus 2 divided by 5, which is equals to 46 minus 7 into minus 2 is plus 14 divided by 5. So 46 plus 14 is 60. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So now we got three solutions of second equation. Let us plot these points on the graph paper. So first we need to draw the graph, the coordinate axis x and y, and then write the number lines on the x-axis and y-axis with the suitable values. So now we are taking the scale. On x-axis we are taking 1 centimeter as 2 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter also 1 centimeter as 2 units. So now let us plot these points on the graph paper. So 3, 5. So let us plot the first point 3, 5. So on x-axis 3 lies between 2 and 4. So this is the point where 3 lies on the x-axis, and 5 lies between 4 and 6 on the y-axis. 4 and 6. So now these two will meet at a particular point, that is in the first quadrant. So mark a small dot and circle it and write the coordinates of the point 3, 5. Next we have 10, 0. So 10 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. So y equals to 0 lies on the x-axis itself. So we can mark the point on 10 itself. So which is 10, 0. And next we have minus 4, 10. So minus 4, 10 lies in second quadrant. Minus 4 on the y-axis and 10 on the y-axis. So minus 4, 10 lies in the second quadrant. So mark the points and write the coordinates, which is minus 4, 10. Now, so these 3 points should be joined first. So when we join these 3 points, we get a line, and this is the equation. This is the line for the first equation. So next we move on to the second equation. So let us plot the points for second equation. The first point is 8, minus 2. So 8 on the x-axis and minus 2 on the y-axis. So they meet each other, means this point lies in the fourth quadrant. So that is 8, minus 2. So we need to mark this point in the fourth quadrant. So second point is 3, 5. So which is already marked in the first quadrant. So let it be as it is. And then one more point, minus 2, 12. So minus 2, 12 lies in the second quadrant. Minus 2, 12 lies in the second quadrant, somewhere in the top of the graph paper. So which is minus 2, 12. Minus 2, 12. Now we need to join all these points with a straight line. So we get another straight line like this. Now these two equations means these two lines are intersecting each other at one particular point. So that point is 3, 5. So where x value is 3 and y value is 5. So we know that x is the cost of pencil. So the cost of pencil is 3 rupees and the cost of pen is 5 rupees. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.